hands and feet inside the train at all times. If you haven't the back of the platform, now we will be departing. We hope you enjoy your ride. So kick back, relax.
If all the cypress tree don't come in a like a pine shape, how do you call them a pine?
This 2-mile plantation of pineapple and other crops, often featuring fields in all stages of growth. Garden tour, where guests can take a leisurely stroll through plants, flowers, and native species while listening to stories about life on the plantation and Hawaiian heritage. Keep your head, arms, legs, and any devices, including selfie sticks, inside the train at all times. Please refrain from eating or drinking, and if you should accidentally drop something outside the train, just tell us the marker number where you dropped your item, and we'll be able to retrieve it for you upon our return. And now, sit back. Let's begin our journey with a little history on this special place of Oahu called Wahiawa. Before the Hawaiian Islands were united by King Kamehameha I, Wahiawa was where Oahu chiefs and their armies lived, trained, and fought for control of the island. Wahiawa was also the birthplace of royal family members. Roughly translated, the name Wahiawa means place of rumbling. It was believed the rumbling sound of thunder. Spirit displayed by its residents. Off to our left are pineapple fields in various stages. The pineapple, called the crown, is the preferred planting material used in Hawaii. Each crown is planted by hand. The planters use a sharp. They then place the bottom of the crown directly into the plant. A skilled planter can plant roughly 10,000 pineapples a day, or nearly half an acre. To irrigate the fields, a tube is
That's
placed
in Guava.
between the rows of pineapple. When water is needed, it is dripped from the tubes. Harvesting, like planting, is also done by hand. The first crop, called the plant crop, takes 18 months to harvest the pineapple. A crew of workers will walk through the rows of pineapple, twisting off the fruit and placing it on a wood conveyor, which gently moves the fruit to a bin on a waiting truck. Even in the hot summer months, the workers must wear heavy clothing, gloves, and mesh goggles to protect themselves. Best quality fruit makes its way into the packing plant. Once inside, workers hand select the fruit based on size and shell color and carefully pack them into boxes. Roughly half of the Dole pineapple grown in Hawaii is sent to various stores and restaurants throughout the Hawaiian Islands. You've got yourself a genuine Dole pineapple grown right here in the islands.
Oh, shoot.
Here's a bit of history on the pineapple. The Hawaiian word for pineapple is halakahiki, which means foreign fruit. It is believed that pineapple first originated in Paraguay or Brazil. Carried aboard 15th and 16th century trade texture. Most of the pineapple in Hawaii is grown at elevations below 3,000 feet, which in turn causes the reddish tint. The high iron content in the... So how do you know when a pineapple is ready to be picked? Once the pineapple is picked, it will not ripen any further or get any sweeter. So the sooner they're eaten, the better. If you don't plan... Besides being a tasty fruit, the pineapple is also regarded as a symbol of hospitality. Brought pineapples with them, which they would place out on their porch, door, or entrance to their home. This was a symbol to their name. Our door is open. Food and drink for everyone. This tradition continued throughout the years, and to this day, the pineapple is seen as a symbol of hospitality, proudly displayed in
See those
residences
animals on
and
that as a
business
pig?
establishments throughout the world.
You don't see them? You don't see those peaks?
Chocolate lovers, this crop on our trees. A variety of other trees border the cacao field, which help to shield the cacao trees from excessive wind and sun. Cacao trees flourish in humid tropical regions in a narrow band 10 degrees above and below the equator. The Hawaiian Islands, at 21, Hawaii's chocolate industry is relatively new. It's roughly 155 million gallons of water and is used to irrigate the pineapple fields and other agricultural crops in this area. Okay, let's take a short break and enjoy some music performed by local recording artist Manoa DNA. Their CD titled Pineapple Express is only available here at Dole Plantation. Here's Manoa.
Place not so far away, where the mountains and the ocean meet, the special islands with aloha in your memory. Spread the word that Ohana and Hawaii is your family. Celebrate your life in a place so nice. That's
Dole bought the island of Lanai and converted it from a cactus-covered island with 150 people into the largest 1,000 tons of pineapple a year, helping to make pineapple Hawaii's second largest industry. Responsible land has shifted from being dominated by sugar and pineapple, including bananas, macadamia nuts, papayas, and flowers. Hawaii also produces some of the best coffee, which has been growing in the island since the 1800s. Coffee plants generally take 7 years. Farmers from Guatemala and is now grown on Oahu's North Shore as Waialua Estate Coffee, which is home. The fruits grow for 6 months and slowly change from green to yellow to a glossy deep red, at which point the cherries, as they are called, are ready for picking. Harvested cherries must first be wet milled to remove the skin and dried as green bean coffee. They are then classified and bagged for roasting. Try a cup of fresh brew.
see the island's beauty from Mount Maui. Be our guest and take a breath of the air so fresh. Step out on the Pineapple Express. Ride on the Pineapple Island's beauty from Mount Maui. Be our guest and take a breath of the air so fresh.
the train station off to the right, you'll see our photovoltaic solar farm, which helps provide nearly a third of Dole Plantation's energy consumption. Just another way we benefit from our nearly year-round sunshine. Well, we hope you enjoyed the tour. There's a lot more to see and do here at Dole Plantation. Test your directional skills in the world's largest maze. Stroll through the plantation garden, or cool down with the world-famous Dole Whip inside the Dole Plantation store. If you plan on making your way to the North Shore, turn right as you exit the parking lot and head north on Kamehameha Highway for about 10 minutes. Besides having some of the world's best beaches, you'll also find dozens of unique shops, art galleries, and restaurants. Mahalo for taking a tour on the Pineapple Express. See you again soon. Aloha.
Misty rain will fall, sun will always shine. Go and let your body soak in. When it brings you down, those who rise and burn, you'll find your hand. Just let it all hang loose. Go and let it fly. Let your feet play in the sand. Watch your child start to laugh. No more trouble from the past. Time flies by, we move too fast. Live aloha. Live aloha. Just live aloha. No place in this world could ever keep the pace. You'll feel it flowing from the start. Everlasting fun by sunrise. Spread your aloha from the heart and let it all hang loose. Don't worry about the news. Keep your head up high and let it fly. Let your feet lay in the sand. Watch your child start to laugh. No more trouble from the past. Time flies by, we move too fast. Live aloha. Live aloha. Just live aloha.
They got some ripe cocoas in there. You ever seen a cocoa tree, mama? That's cocoa. Yeah, this is a mango. This tree right here is a mango tree. Where the mango? Oh no.